Maybe you're a small business owner, hustling at the farmer's market every weekend. Maybe you run a side hustle with cash payments. Or maybe, like some of us, you just prefer the feel of cold, hard cash in your hand. Whatever the reason, you might be wondering, can you deposit cash with Relay Bank? Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly embraced the digital age. Long lines, inconvenient hours, and hefty fees for basic services, it's enough to make you want to throw your hands up in frustration. That's where online banking platforms like Relay come in. They offer a streamlined banking experience, often with lower fees and more flexibility. But what about cash? Isn't that the one thing online banks can't handle? Well, the answer depends on the platform. Some online banks offer workarounds like using a partner bank's ATM network for cash deposits. Others, like Relay, don't currently offer direct cash deposits. This might seem like a deal breaker for some, but hear me out. There are a few reasons why Relay, despite not offering cash deposits, might still be the perfect fit for your needs. Reason number 1, the power of digital payments. Think about it. How often are you actually dealing with cash these days? Even small businesses are increasingly accepting contactless payments through apps and mobile wallets. Services like Venmo and Zelle allow for instant transfers between friends and colleagues. Plus, with Relay's sleek mobile app, you can easily send and receive checks electronically. Reason number 2, streamlined cash management. Let's be honest, carrying around large amounts of cash can be a security risk. With Relay, your money is securely stored online, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the need for frequent cash deposits, reducing the risk of theft or loss. Reason #3, integration with other platforms. Relay seamlessly integrates with popular accounting and business management software. This means you can easily track income, expenses, and manage your cash flow electronically. No more messy cash receipts or tedious spreadsheets. Relay streamlines the entire financial process for your business. Okay, so no cash deposits, but what about cash withdrawals? Actually, Relay does offer access to a nationwide ATM network for cash withdrawals. There might be some fees associated with this, depending on your account type and the specific ATM provider. Always check the fees before making a withdrawal. The bottom line, is Relay right for you? If you're a small business owner or someone who primarily deals with digital transactions, then Relay could be a great choice. They offer a user-friendly platform with low fees and convenient features like mobile banking and electronic checks. However, if you regularly handle large amounts of cash or live in a cash-based economy, then Relay might not be the best fit. In that case, you might want to consider a traditional bank with branch locations that allow cash deposits. Remember, the ideal banking solution depends on your individual needs and preferences. Don't hesitate to research different options and compare features before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.